Hello, my name is Nancy Pilar Sanchez. I am 21 years old. In my free time, I like to read and paint nails. I live in the city of Florencia, Caquetá with my husband and my son. I am studying agroforestry engineering at UNAD. In my last vacation, I traveled to visit the Sal Cathedral. My hobbies are walk in the forest, paint nails, and play with my son. I will go to Cartagena in the next vacation. My recipe is cider potato sorbet. The ingredients are cider potato, cinnamon stick, cinnamon ground, milk, and sugar. First, peel, wash, and cut in 4 parts the cider potato and remove the core. Then, in a pot with water, add the potato, cinnamon stick, and bring to high heat until the cider potato softens. Afterwards, remove the cider potato in the bowl and let it cool. Next, in the cider potato, melt a little ground cinnamon and sugar to taste in a blender. Finally, blend until a yogurt-like consistency is obtained and serve. Thanks.